Hi guys, we woke up to another fantastic day in the Mexican paradise. This is Katia home from Hobo Banker La Costa. Welcome to our new episode of Katia's Homes in Paradise. Today we are specifically in downtown Puerto Vallarta on the Camarones beach, and we will show you an extraordinary, mind-blowing home. This modernist Bauhaus style home has the perfect match of elegance with the inspiration of the nature. This home sits over 5,000 square foot of land with a living area of almost 25,000 square foot. This spectacular villa has 8 bedrooms and 11 bathrooms. This home is currently on the market for $4.2 million. Come and join me. Let me show you this jaw-dropping property. This villa was built in a modernist Bauhaus style with a touch of Monroe architecture and with a lot of Mexican touches that you're gonna see. Very clear lines, very elegant, very practical. Come and join me. So this place is ready to entertain 20 people at least in the same time. We have granite countertops, all Primavera wood. This is all tailor-made Primavera wood here, with a stove for I don't know how many dishes, but a lot, with a dishwasher. And I'm walking outside, and I would like to show you and give you a little bit of taste of a Friday afternoon here in downtown Puerto Vallarta of beach mood, and to show you how close we are actually to the ocean. So having your own privacy here, while you are only just a couple of steps away from the ocean, it's amazing. You are in a walking distance to supermarkets, to the best restaurants, the best bars, wherever you want to go. You are in the middle of downtown Puerto Vallarta. We have 35 feet long heated pool here for you if you are fed up with the ocean. You have a jacuzzi for 10 people. I would like to tell you a little bit about the structure of the house. Basically, we have 4 bedrooms on this side and 4 other bedrooms on the other side with a little bit of terraza connected to the garden. It's amazing, so come and join me. Everywhere these glass sliding doors that again, you don't have a chance to miss 1 second of the ocean, of the view of the ocean. So you're gonna see this feature everywhere in the house with the wood decor that makes it super elegant with the creamy colors. You got a touch of being inspired by the nature, but with an engineering precision in this house. So we have a separate toilet here, and we have the bathroom with a bathtub. And again, wood is everywhere. That gives you a very beautiful natural effect. So let me show you the other part of the house. That's the best. I wish we would be here and you could hear the sound of the ocean, and you could feel the atmosphere of how amazing it is to be in the tropical environment, to have this garden next to you, what I see now. So I would like you to imagine yourself spending a night here, just sitting here with your friends and family after dinner, watching straight to the ocean, or to watch your kids in the pool jumping around and have fun and just, talk about anything or ruin the world or explore whatever you want to explore, because this is going to give you the inspiration. I can guarantee you that. So let's see the other wing of this beautiful house. Come with me. I love that little furniture with that dog that we were trying to figure out what it is. I was guessing it's this squinkle kind of a little bit mixed with a Chihuahua, but we never get to the points. Anyway, we have an elevator here that brings us up to the penthouse. But first, let's look at this. So come with me. I mean, first of all, before I show you anything, look at this. This is a door holder. You see this giant glass? I can hardly hold it. This main area reflects probably the most of this modernist Bauhaus Van der Rohe style that you see everywhere with the glass windows. Lots of glass, lots of wood, granite, super elegant, incredible taste. Look at this granite countertop, fridge and freezer. And this is your living room, again with that bamboo. That's an amazing, look at how huge that bamboo is. So now this is when it becomes super interesting. Come with me. This is a door, a sliding door that opens up completely and takes you to your master bedroom. Look at this bedroom. We're getting closer to the jacuzzi. So again, come outside here. Look at this cute bed with the baldachines. And let's not miss the principal bathroom. This is like another suite as well. This is your dressing area. Look at this, gosh, how cute this is. Marvelous. I mean, it's incredible, amazingly beautiful, clean, white. Again, the windows everywhere. Look at your small jacuzzi. They were enjoying and getting the outside places as much as possible to have the light coming in. From your master bedroom, you can have the access, little reading room here and another bedroom. This bedroom can be completely closed down, so if you don't need it, you don't have to. A beautiful bathroom, again with the same touches of natural colors, granite and primavera wood. So if you see all these features with the wood decor and the windows and the huge, look at the size of this huge glass sliding doors. And the ocean is only steps away. So guys, we're gonna take the elevator to go up to the penthouse. So we just get into the penthouse section. As you see, it has a private elevator that takes you here. You have a little bit of a cocinita, a small kitchen here. So let me show you this breathtaking, amazing, incredible penthouse. Probably this is the most beautiful part of the whole house, but I don't know where you can go further. Look at this part. This shallow pool was a fantastic idea with the mirrors and with this roof feature. You got the reflection of the sun to the mirror, so that it gives you the reflection in the whole place. It's pretty amazing. So let's keep going. Beautiful creamy natural color tiles and all the woodwork again. Don't forget to see how beautifully they were made. It's very Mexican to have a rooster in the house, and this house has at least 15 roosters. So let's go. So you can't miss this super cute little bathroom here that belongs to the penthouse. Look at this stone tiles here on the wall. You have a shower, you have a small jacuzzi. It's amazing that every single room or bathroom has a bathtub. So you have a small jacuzzi with natural touches and the woodwork everywhere. Beautiful. So, and if you keep coming, you're gonna find another small swimming pool with the view to the ocean. I am in love with this house. Thank you very much for watching Katya's Homes in Paradise. This was La Casa de la Playa. Make sure that if you liked what you've seen, you subscribe and you press the bell so we can notify you from our upcoming videos. Thank you very much. See you soon. Ciao.